Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping lifted seats while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone,
narrow street of rolling sun, neath the halo of the street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. With my eyes were studied by flash and neon light.
that's making light, and that's the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more.
People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No wonder this is the sound of silence. Only that do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arm that I might reach you. But my words like the silence in drop speech. And it's in the world of silence. And the people bird and free, so that neon guiding me. And the same flashes up each warning, and the words that each was for me. And the signs shadows of the traffic written on the subway wall, and it's still meant to. And they whispered in the sound of silence.